Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So this is the Volvo XC90, fully blacked out. Look at the rims. It looks freaking amazing.
So next thing I just going to have Aura. This plate here is the latest 07 in very control color. It's the performance grade, right?
Sorry,
Next and then
it's fully murdered out. So your typical Volvo interior. Here's the full panel roof. Fully electric seats. It has a memory seat as well. 3 settings memory. Soft touch leather. Buttons feels very high quality. This is a glove box release. Very nice. The build quality is really good in this car, I must say.
go for a test drive. Same goes to Volvo Malaysia, Volvo system. And then of course no exhaust.
So let me just give you the power figures of this XC90. So I believe this should be the T8. So power is at 249 horsepower, and with the hybrid motor it produces 317 horsepower. And torque is 700 Newton meters of torque, which is absolutely insane. So Bowers and Wilkins sound system, all leg room and ample amount of headroom as well.
Yes, both sides. They changed only the system 2022 and
Rear convents has a tri-zone climate control. The rear seats. These are the child seats. Definitely can fit your children. Seat can be moved back and front as well. It's a huge boot. So there isn't a spare tire. It's a tire repair kit. So the price of this car is, I'm not sure if you can see, it's 417,000 ringgit. Alright guys, that's all for today's video. If you like my video, do consider do like, comment and subscribe. I really do appreciate your support, and I will see you in the next video. Cheers guys.